In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project in Zoho Project. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can quickly download your project data and share it, back it up, or analyze it outside of Zoho. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho project account and that you're on the main projects area. You should see a list of all the projects you have access to. On the left side of the screen, locate the project you want to export. This is usually shown in a panel or list of projects. Go ahead and click on that project name on the left to open its details. This tells Zoho which specific project you want to work with. Once that project is open, look towards the top right area of the screen for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. This icon is commonly used across many apps to hide additional actions. Move your cursor over to those three dots and click on them. When you do, a small menu will appear with several options related to your project. In that menu, look for the option labeled Export Projects. The wording may be very similar, and it clearly mentions export. Click on Export Projects. This is the command that tells Zoho you want to create a downloadable file of your project data. After clicking, Zoho will usually show you an export window or dialog. Here, you may see options like the format of the export, such as CSV or another supported type, and sometimes which parts of the project you want to include. Even if you're not changing any of these settings, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that everything looks right, especially if you're sharing this file with others or importing it into another tool. When you're ready,